For all its reliability, Face ID cannot be called a truly perfect identification method. Although the interface does not respond to photos, it can still be fooled by a mask printed on a 3D printer, a face of a twin or another close relative with a similar appearance. And while Apple seeks to prove to us that all these cases are just an exception to the rule, it is clear that the company cannot arrange such a result. So, the problem must be solved. When authenticating using facial recognition technology, there is a potential likelihood of misidentification if a person with identification has features that resemble the real owner. As a rule, such a problem arises in the process of recognizing brothers, sisters, twins, and other people who are closely related to each other, admits Apple. How to cheat Face ID? Fix the main flaw of the Face ID in question. Apple will help more advanced recognition technology. In Cupertino, in addition to scanning the face itself, they want the interface to also read the map of the subcutaneous capillaries. And since it is absolutely unique in every person, even if they look like each other like two peas in a pod, in this way, it will be possible to avoid cases of erroneous unlocking when the smartphone is in the hands of an outsider. Interestingly, in order to start capillary reading, Apple will not need to make major changes to the already existing face recognition complex. All that is required is to slightly modify the IR projector, projecting thousands of points on the user's face, increasing the range of its rays so that it can read not only the relief of the face, but also look a little further. And given the level of development of modern technology, it looks quite real.